Alright, we'll get our bar oil cap on and our fuel cap on. Yes, I did flush the fuel tank out and the fuel system because it was run on regular gas. This one's supposed to be 50 to 1. When I get ready to start it, we will be using 40 to 1 just to have that little bit extra oil in there. On to the muffler assembly now. Yeah, we're going to be putting this one on by hand. I broke that one off using the impact. Didn't follow my own advice. Hand tools are good enough. I'm just now going to get this back together, which is a royal pain in the butt. But once it gets started, it's not so bad. That's how that fits. Now the tough part, getting the spring in. Put this on first. This will be pushed down. You need to lock that up, put the spring on the end of it, and then just shove it and place it in there. That's really all there is to it. Then at this point, we put the brake on. We've got our air filter. We are almost ready. Your chain, it's all a little bit loose right now. So we lift up on the bar, we get our tension, about like that. Evenly tighten these down. And when putting your chain on, make sure it's on correctly. See the angle of the teeth? This is the cutting edge, not this. It has to go this way, and then it will come back around that way. Alright, let's get some gas and see if this thing will fire up. Carburetor needs adjusting. Got one blown motor and the one working chainsaw. Gotta I do not recommend this for anybody at home. Definitely do not recommend this. This was a royal pain in the butt. Alright everybody, you heard the chainsaw run. I just wanted to thank you guys for going along on this little crazy journey of mine just to see if we could fix it. Like I said, I definitely would not recommend it for the average homeowner, do-it-yourselfer. It's too much of a pain in the butt for a $120, $150 chainsaw. Go buy another one. As I said before I did it, the chainsaw was free, the parts were cheap, about $45 including shipping. So, we went from this one burnt piston to a running chainsaw. We replaced the piston, we replaced the rings, the wrist pin, and the cylinder. And yes, using a roll pin for that did work. Alright everybody, again, thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to let me know what you'd like to see down in the comments. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you on the next video.